So the question of employment-related matters, Manrega, which is normally quoted saying, oh, you have not been sincere about Manrega. I'll certainly take this opportunity to read out some numbers, sir, if you please allow me that kind of a time. We are often said, oh, you opposed Manrega, we were the ones who brought it in, we have great claims to Manrega. Yes, you may have given birth to. No questions, ma'am. You have given birth to Manrega, you can take the credit for it. But equally, take the credit for having mismanaged Manrega. Take the credit for CAG paragraphs on Manrega. Take the credit for having given Manrega to ghost workers. Take the credit for Manrega going to non-existing workers. Take the credit for that also. So, Congress party, sir, I'm sorry to take the name of a party on a debate during budget, gives birth to all these very good schemes, no doubt, very good schemes, but lacks the will to use them properly, lacks the will to use them openly and transparently. Moment that is given birth, misuses them to favor cronies. हम दो हमारे दो इसके लिए काम आता है. Sir, Manrega, I'm reading the figures. Suresh ji, I'm reading the figures. Honorable Member Kodikunil Suresh, please hear the numbers. Please hear the numbers. Sir, in 2009-10, sir, in 2009-10, no, don't worry. Then don't ask us the questions on Manrega, ask the state governments. You ask us the questions. When I'm giving you a reply, of course I'll mention Congress because you take the credit for it. Anyway, sir, I don't want to lose my time to give a proper answer. Honorable Speaker, sir, because there was a lot of demand and you gently reminded, saying there is this budget discussion now and that we should discuss the budget. Huh? Yes, I concede that. No worries. What am I doing? Sir, I'd like to ask you, sir, what am I doing? I am talking on the budget. I am talking on the budget. I am replying to the members who stood up and spoke on the budget debate. For each one, they're on their issue. On each one, on their issue. Each member stood up and spoke the issues which they thought were. Please listen. Please listen. Please listen. Don't unnecessarily read my mind in advance. Please listen. And even the honorable member who's not present here, and I'm not taking his name, but I also want to address the issues raised by him that day. Farm issues will have to be spoken because they are also part of the budgetary discussion. And yes, don't worry, I'm answering. Please hear now. Please hear. Sir, kindly, sir, you don't want me to answer issues raised by your honorable leader? I'm answering. I'm answering. Sir, oh yes, don't worry, I'm answering that. You don't mind? You don't mind? Sir, if you have heard Honorable Member Suresh, who says I should take the name, and if you give me the permission, in the absence of that member, I'll take his name. All right, sir? Now therefore, and the member had said, farm bills are also part of the budget, and I'm laying the foundation. And therefore, I'm speaking about it. And therefore, I'll please respond, sir. I'm sure you will help me. When he stood up, since Kodikunil Suresh ji has given me permission, and you, I suppose, wouldn't mind me, Shri Rahul Gandhi, when he stood up and to speak, he's...
बोलिए मंत्री जी बोलिए आप बोलिए
Sir, for the foundation laid on the budget.
नहीं, एक मिनट मंत्री जी, माननीय सदस्य माननीय मंत्री जी किसी का नाम ले रही है तो वो सदन का सदस्य तो नाम ले सकती है, उसमें क्या दिक्कत है? वो सदन का सदस्य नाम ले सकती है। नो उपस्थित नॉन उपस्थित का सवाल नहीं, माननीय
सर?
सदस्य का नाम ले सकते हैं।
सर,
सभी सदस्यों का नाम ले रही है ना, जिन जिन ने बजट पर चर्चा करी है।